Hello everyone and welcome to another video by Scrapping with Kids. So today what we are gonna do is we're gonna try and clean all of these computers. As I'm running out of space, there's my little scrapper. I will open it. The aim is I need some actually room, so this has taken up a big chunk of my garage, and the garage is pretty packed at the moment, so I have to clean this out and take it to the scrapyard. So I've got half a trailer already full of bits and pieces. I've been getting a few more PCs, and I think it's time to clean this out. So what I've done is I've got a few different buckets here. So let's see all the goodies that we can get from this big scrap. So this is the biggest amount of pieces I've ever actually stored. So yeah, let's have a look if there's any good bits and pieces in there, and I'll share the journey. Okay, just thought I'd share one of these computers with you guys. So what we're actually doing is we're just pretty much pulling everything apart. The only thing that's going to be left is the case. So as you can see, this computer here has three cards, 3 video cards. One is, I think, network. It's got a couple of RAM sticks which we will be removing, CPU, hard drive, and it's got a couple of DVD players, and also the power supply. So what I've done is I've got a few different buckets here. One for heat sinks, one's going to be for all the gold fingers related stuff. We've got cable, hard drives, CD. Some of the gold pin plugs, we'll keep them in there. Got a brass and something for the crystal. As I find something interesting, I'm just gonna show you what it is. Have a look at the size of this heatsink. This has got to be the biggest heatsink I've ever seen, honestly. So it's a Dell. It's huge. I'll take it off and see what's inside. Okay, so I've got it out. I just wanted to show you the comparison. So this is a standard heatsink on the left hand side, and look at the size of that heatsink. That, oh, I cannot believe it. And it's solid alloy. So this is solid aluminium, and actually really heavy too. So another interesting find worth sharing. I don't come across these type of CPUs very often, but this is an AMD, so I thought I'd just share. It's one of the oldest style AMDs, and look at that. Very nice. So this is your typical board. I'm just showing you. I'm going through these big pile of computers. Just unplug it from the board, from the hard drive, and from the CD. It's just a matter of really removing these 4 screws here, and the power unit will come out. While we're here, I just thought I'd show you an update where we are in regards to the big stack. So we've got 1 row to go on 1 computer. So it's been a hell of an effort. So let's look through the tubs. There's quite a few heat sinks in there. A tub full of cards, well, 3/4 full. Tub with RAMs, the one with the CPUs, the cable box is pretty much full. That is packed, all the CD-ROMs. These are all the hard drives, the gold pin plugs. Got some USB plugs, and these are all the brass nuts and screws, crystals. Big batch of power supplies. There's a bin there which is completely full with them, so when we're gonna have to make a trip to see Earways Ben and take a lot of this stuff with us. All the motherboards. So we're getting there. Trailer's looking a bit more fuller. So on the home stretch. So looks like we didn't quite get to finish our stack of computers. There's roughly about 8 computers left. The computers on this side, they're all gaming computers, so we're not going to be scrapping that. We're going to try and sell that. A few more boards. So pretty good effort. We're going to continue tomorrow and yeah, hopefully finish this job off. So we'll continue filming tomorrow. It's time for a beer. Corona. How ironic. Okay, so this is some of the things that we've managed to get from the scrap out of the computers. So I just want to put some of this stuff on the scale and try and see how much weight we've got. So there's about a kilo and a bit of RAM sticks. which is a really good effort. As you can see, there's quite a bit in there. These are the CPUs. We've got all different kinds. We've got the pin CPUs, and then we've got the ones without the pins. So it's roughly about a kilo on the CPUs. Got quite a bit of crystals. I'm not gonna weigh them. It's also a bit of brass, as you can see. There's a big box of CD-ROMs and floppy disks. We've also got a big, so there's a big box of, as I was saying, of these cables. We also have a few of these plugs. If anyone knows, they all look like they've got gold pins. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but if anyone knows much about these, if you can please tell me if this is actually gold or... I've got a lot of the gold pin plugs, and under here a big box full of cards. So not sure the weight behind it, but there's actually quite a few kilos in all of those. I've also managed to get a big tub of okay, as I was saying, I wanted to show you some of these hard drives. A lot of them contain this gold band oscillator here. So as you can see, some of them are actually really nice. Big MLCCs on it. On some of these. Nice chips. So yeah, there's a big well, it's not a huge tub, but it's a small tub full of them. And what else did we have? And last but not least, heat sinks. Got some all sorts of heat sinks. Big aluminium, and we've got some with a copper. There's really all different types, as you can imagine. So we'll be removing most of this copper. As you all know, the copper price is... oh, this one is actually full copper. Yeah. We'll have to remove the outer bracket, which looks like it's aluminium. So yeah, bit of fun still with these. Alright, so overall very happy with what we got from the computers, and I just said my brother come past before and he actually brought in some more. So as we've just got rid of some, you can see there is another pile just building up, and I've got another 3 in my car, so looks like PCs are constantly coming in. A couple of these actually a bit old, Pentium 4, which I don't want to scrub just yet. And this other one, I'm not sure what sort of computer that is, but they look a bit heritage, so we'll leave them. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Leave us a like. We'll keep bringing some more of these videos. We do enjoy pulling things apart and collecting some of these valuable things. So keep scrapping, keep building up. Every little bit adds, and have fun. Alright, we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.